Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about highlight cell rules. So highlight cell rules in Excel. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So here in my sheet one, I'm having some data, right? So here I need to highlight some cell rules. For example, these are some rules, right? I want to highlight some rules based upon the condition. Based upon the condition. So how can I do it? So first of all, you have to select all these things, the data, right? And you have to go to the conditional formatting and click on it. Then you'll be having highlight cell rules, right? Highlight cell rules. They'll be having greater than, less than, between, equal to text that contains data edit occurring duplicate values. So based upon your requirement and the condition, you have to choose it. You have to choose it. So now I am using the equal to symbol, the equal to sign. Just I will click on equal to, and here I will write 48, 48, right? And I will choose yellow, fill with dark yellow text, right? And I will click on OK. See, now I got, so wherever I got 48, that text has changed into the yellow color, right? That text has changed into the yellow color. So it is based upon the condition. It is based upon the condition, right? So this is how we can highlight the cells in Excel, right? So this is a simple class. I have told you the equal to, and we are having a lot more greater than, less than, between, right? So all these things we'll discuss in the next class. So we'll discuss all these things in the next class. So I hope you understand how to highlight the cell rules. And if you have any doubts in this, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.